the head, the two typical, like the set of proportion, the two most common set of proportion of head to body are either 1 to 7.5 or 1 to 8, right? 1 to 8. The head is going to be 1 is the height, and the width is going to be 2/3 or 3/4. The depth 7/8, right? So do you want to linger a little bit on this, because this is important to look at, right? What does it mean? It means that when I have the head, I draw my height, decide my height, eyeball it in 3 equal segments, or I do what I did before, right? Take the now 2/3 of this and put it here, and now I have the ratio height to width of 1 to 2/3. This is one type of head, right? It's not that people are either or, right? But I'm gonna show you later what this means. The 3/4 set of head instead, I still have 1, right? Here, right? And then I divided it in 4 equal segments, right? And now I take 3/4 instead of the 2/3, 3/4 here, put it here, right? And then now this gives me a different box, right? A different box. And if I now block inside this box in here the egg-shaped form of the cranium, right? I'm going to see that the cranium that I put in here is more elongated than the cranium that I'm going to put in here, which is rounder, right? So this is rounder. So what does it mean, right? It means that when I draw my model, I'm not going to necessarily use all this box and all this thing. This method here is just to make you notice when you look at the model, you look at the model and say, what type of face? Is it rounder or is it more elongated? So I start right away when I look at my model with a exploratory eye, trying to figure out the proportion. In the case of the head, this proportion here are really important because it's important you block in the shape, the size of the head here, because then within here you're gonna have to put the facial proportion, the physiognomy, right? Where are the eyes? Where is the nose? Where is the mouth? So typically you don't want to start drawing an eye, right? An eye like that, and then blocking the eyebrows here, and then the nose, right? And then the other eye here like that, and then face, because you don't know exactly how the thing is going to develop. You can do that eventually, right? You can do that eventually, but in the beginning, you want to understand, so what's the damage here? How big is the head, right? How big is the head? Okay, it's a more elongated head, or is it as a wider head? And now you already have extrapolated some information, extracted from information. And if you look around, well, not look around in your house, there's probably, you know, not enough people, but next time you have an occasion to maybe watch TV or go to the market, start looking around and then try to baptize people. 2/3, 2/3, 3/4, 2/3, right? You give them the ratio, and you're gonna start seeing. You're gonna divide humanity is in 2/3 and 3/4, but that's the first. Just an example of how you can use these ratios to be. How can I say? Start appreciating proportional relationship. Proportional relationship have an aesthetic involved, right? And we learn to respect that aesthetic, right?